Today, we're diving into a tool that I've been experimenting with recently. It's called Opus Clip. And honestly, if you're a content creator, a business owner, or even just someone who's curious about how to turn long-form videos into short, viral-ready clips, you'll want to stick around.
Design more heartbreaking, or the opportunity for good design more compelling, and at the end,
loss is one thing, regret
but
another.
The good news is
Love.
So
This brand of suffering is made up. Well, we can change it. How we die is indeed something we can affect.
Opus Clip is an AI-powered video editing assistant. In simple terms, you feed it a long video. It could be an interview, an online class, a keynote speech, or even a YouTube vlog, and it automatically detects the most engaging highlights, crops and zooms on the speaker so it feels like a native vertical video, adds captions and even images to make it pop, generates titles and descriptions you can use instantly, and yes, it can even sprinkle in B-roll footage if you want. So instead of you spending hours scrubbing through your own video, Opus Clip basically does the heavy lifting. You can either drag and drop a file from your computer, or paste a link from platforms like YouTube. Personally, I find the link option super convenient because you don't have to deal with massive video files. This is where the fun starts. Let's say you have a 1-hour podcast. You can tell Opus Clip, give me 10-15-minute highlight videos. Or maybe you want YouTube shorts under 60 seconds. You can select that too. There's even a 3-minute option, which is perfect for TikTok and Reels where you can go a little longer. You can let the AI detect the type of content automatically. But if you know it's educational, motivational, or entertainment focused, you can specify that, which helps the AI find more relevant clips. You get to choose what the AI should prioritize, the hook, the flow, the engagement, and whether the content feels on trend. You can turn these filters on or off depending on what you're aiming for. If you want something really specific, you can type in a command like, AirPods are evolving from an audio device into an intelligent bridge for cross-language communication. That way, you don't just get random highlights. You get highlights that are strategically useful for your channel. Once you're happy with the setup, you just hit Get Clips in one clip. Then you wait, the system processes your video in the background, and you'll get an email notification when it's done. When Opus Clip finishes, you'll see a list of short clips, usually ranked from strongest to weakest. Miller, the original video was 19 minutes long, but within about 10 minutes, Opus Clip generated 24 short clips for me. Of course, not every clip was perfect. Some of the edits weren't exactly what I wanted, but after selecting and refining, I was still able to get the results I needed. The subtitles were accurate most of the time, and the ability to instantly switch between different styles was really convenient. What impressed me the most was how the AI rated the clips. The higher-ranked clips truly had stronger hooks and flowed more smoothly. This saved me a huge amount of time, compared to manually reviewing everything one by one. Opus Clip automatically adds dynamic captions that actually match the vibe of your video. We're talking bold, colorful, eye-catching captions. Each clip comes with a preview video, a suggested title and caption, auto-generated subtitles. And here's the cool part. You can regenerate titles if you don't like the first one. You can also adjust the captions, change colors, add or remove images, and fine-tune the clip length. If you're on the Pro plan, you even get split screen mode when multiple people are speaking, B-roll generation to make your video more dynamic, multiple aspect ratios like 9:16, 16:9, or 1:1. The ability to export directly into professional editing software like Premiere or Final Cut. I tested this with a TED Talk, What Really Matters at the End of Life by B.J. Miller. And the best part, you can pick from existing templates, create your own, and even move captions around in the editor so everything flows perfectly. But beyond that, Opus Clip actually steps into the role of your personal content strategist. It's like having a built-in data analyst and social media manager right inside the app. First, the analytics. Opus Clip lets you track how your videos perform across platforms. You'll see which clips are killing it, which ones need tweaking, and how your audience is actually engaging. It's basically like having a self-service dashboard that shows you what's working, without needing to hire an extra team member. And second, the content scheduler. This is where Opus Clip feels like your own publishing assistant. You can map out your entire posting calendar in just a few clicks. Upload your clips, set the dates, choose the platforms, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and boom, It's all automated. No more late night upload stress. No more juggling multiple apps. It even helps you polish titles and descriptions so your videos are ready to hit the algorithm just right. Let's quickly talk about pricing, because that's always the big question. Free plan. You get 60 minutes of processing per month. That means you can upload an hour-long video, hit clips, and export in 1080p. Downsides, you'll have watermark, and you can't really edit much. Starter plan, $9 per month, 150 minutes of processing. No watermark, includes AI scoring. And you can auto-publish to YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Pro plan, $19 per month, 300 minutes. Supports team collaboration, more editing options, multiple aspect ratios, and advanced B-roll features. New users get a 7-day free trial, which I think is more than enough to test whether it fits your workflow. If you're a content creator who uploads regularly, Opus Clip is almost a no-brainer. For podcasters, educators, coaches, or anyone running webinars, it's a lifesaver because it helps repurpose content into bite-sized videos. For marketers, it's also a great tool. Imagine clipping customer testimonials, event highlights, or product demos into short videos that are ready to post on social media. Even if you're just starting out, the free version is enough to experiment and see whether short-form content works for you. Overall, I think Opus Clip is one of the most practical AI tools I've tested this year. It won't replace a professional editor, but it's an amazing first step to repurpose long videos into content you can post everywhere. My workflow now looks like this. I use Opus Clip to generate the initial short. Then I bring them into my editing software, and I polish them with my own style. That way, I save time, but I still keep creative control. So, that's my review and walkthrough of Opus Clip. If you're serious about growing on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, this tool can definitely give you an edge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and drop a comment below letting me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.